Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting the something went wrong Coinbase error, this is the Coinbase most common error and the easiest to fix. First of all, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Coinbase and swipe it away. After that, reopen it. Then, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, log out from the Coinbase app and then log in. Then head over to your app store, search for Coinbase and look if you have updated your app or not. If not, make sure to update your app. Sometimes errors like something went wrong or others may happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. So make sure to update it. If the error appears during trading, try again after a few minutes. This often happens during high traffic. Temporary errors usually resolve on their own with a refresh or a relog, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.